Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 3 by using this 3, okay? Is equal to 40 divide by 4 is equal to 40 divide 4 is equal to 10. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong, okay? Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, P means first priority is parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. So addition and S means subtraction. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So in this problem, here is a division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, okay? So is equal to 40. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this 40 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this last fraction 4 by 3, flip this fraction 3 by 4. Okay, multiply 3 is equal to, now cancel this 40 by using this 4. So here is 10. Now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So 10 multiply 3 is equal to 30. 30 multiply 3. Now 30 multiply 3 is equal to 90. So the correct answer is 90. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.